Personal banking to me means that I have someone I can go to that I trust to help me with whatever my banking needs happen to be. It could be opening a new account, it could be adding a new beneficiary, it could be addressing some sort of potential fraud or complication, but you have someone who's there to help you with your day-to-day banking needs, whatever that looks like.
One of the selling points coming here was in the description it said you had to have a servant's heart. And I stopped right there and said, oh, this is a different bank. This bank cares. They get it.
We offer the full range of personal banking services with a few exceptions. So we can handle all of your day-to-day checking account needs, all of your savings accounts needs. We can handle all of your certificates of deposit. We don't offer personal loans, auto loans, those sorts of things in the bank. But when it comes to day-to-day household finances, we're here for you.
I think First National Bank is the right choice for them because our customers are people to us. They're not just a number. So when they walk into our branch, we greet them by name. We take care of them. We care about our customers. And I think if you look at our Google reviews, it's always the service we provide that they're happy with. We provide excellent customer service.
We've had some customers that have banked with us since the 1960s, and they still come in and they bank with us. They know us by name, we know them, we know their children, we know their lives. We're able to really cater the services and the offerings that we provide to them based on exactly what they need.
Any of our customers can come in, sit down with us, and talk about what their goals are and put together a financial roadmap for us to help them with their goals.
I think when choosing a personal bank provider, there's a number of factors. We have to offer what you need, obviously. I think you should expect great customer service, a smile that greets you at the door, somebody who can answer your questions, somebody who's able to say, I'm not sure, but I'll find out for you, and then they follow up and give you those answers. I think the most important thing is finding a bank that suits your needs and has the customer service experience to support you on your whole journey with us.
FNBA is a local community bank headquartered right here in Michigan.
Our flagship branch is in East Lansing. We have another branch up in Traverse City, Michigan, and then over in Grand Rapids, we have another branch as well.
That's important for a lot of our customers. They have a local bank, a community bank that cares and has employees that are very experienced to walk with them down their financial journey.
I had a customer one time that came in because their father had passed away. They had been to the other banks in town, had spent hours. They came into our branch here in Traverse City, and we were able to, with the right documentation, look at the accounts, get the accounts closed, transferred into his name, and it took a short period of time, and they were just so grateful that it was so friendly, it went so easily, and they essentially ended up closing their accounts and coming to us just because of the service and because we made things easier for them.
As a regulated bank who participates with FDIC, we have a very active compliance and security department that's always keeping us on the leading edge of security features and compliance issues. We have experienced bankers who are well-versed in complex personal and banking needs. And then we have the technology to support it. So we have systems that are constantly maintained, upgraded, and improved to keep your information secure and to keep your online banking secure. And then we have the Visa network that backs up all of our ATM transactions as well. So you have a whole network of security features working to your advantage when you bank with us. You're talking to a person. Whenever you type in that chat, it comes to those of us in the branch that manage your account. And it's not just FNBA, it's your branch. So if you bank at Traverse City, you're getting a Traverse City representative. If you're banking in East Lansing, you're getting an East Lansing representative. You're getting somebody who's familiar with your situation. We have a hometown touch that not many banks do.
To learn more about how our services can help you achieve your financial goals, visit us online at fnba.com.